Good morning, good morning. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you so much. Thank you very much talaga that you are still giving support in my channel, in my beginning channel, that what I have. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you very much. Thank you for the hours that you are still helping. Thank you very much talaga. That all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, to some blogger that you are still helping to me from the beginning until now, from I got a 1 subscriber, 1 supporter, until 1 viewers, until now that what I have. Thank you so much talaga for helping. And I reached already the subscriber and the hours, and I am very lucky that you have open-minded and kindness to watch and to support my very simply only videos, that what I have, that what I do in my home, in my own work, in my part of my journey, while I'm still working, while I'm still living in this earth, and to continue my journey, that what I have. So thank you very much talaga, and more blessings at all. Condolence to the family of my sister-in-laws, to Sarah, and to my hometown. Good luck and more blessings to all of us. Alam nyo kung sino-sino tayo, mga buong angkan sa mother side and father side, that they are still belong also in the different kind of social media. And to my madam, and to my sir, the family of madam and sir, for giving their share, their more blessings that they have, and they are sharing, giving share to me, sharing to me, or blessings to all of them, all their friends and the parents, both side, and the old people that are still living in this earth. Thank you so much talaga. Now is the weather. The weather is warm. It's nice weather. Okay, so thank you again. Thank you. And say bye-bye. Bye-bye and bye-bye to all of us.